Hey guys, it's Erica and we're at Lowe's because I came here earlier. They had some really cool plants and I saw Thanksgiving cacti and I was like, what the heck are these doing? And I realized it's September and summer is almost over, so it's just gonna be like end of summer little Lowe's tour, but let's see if they got any cool plants. Okay, so we walk in. We got a little caperata here. It's the really pretty burgundy one with a little bit of purple in there. And this one is $19.98. They come in this little pot. Always check to see if there's pooling water in these. But there are also adansonii here. How much are you? $19.98 also. I guess the plants in the white little things are $19.98. Also, I guess orange for Halloween. And then down here are some Sansevierias. They're all $9.98, but they're the ones with the rock part on top. And then to the right of those are some more succulents, $9.98. They're doing okay. It's also a little Bromeliad for $7.98. And then down here, I'm surprised that there still are retusas here. I don't know if they restocked, but I came a while ago and I posted on my stories, and a few of you guys came and picked some up. These definitely do not look the best. Like, they look a lot, like really overwatered. But they're only $5.98. Isn't that crazy? $5.98 for a retusa, a Hoya retusa. And there's also some little baby Dracaenas for $4.98, and then some different kinds of ferns for also $4.98. On the other side over here, there are a ton of ZZ plants, and they're not really that full of pots. I feel like they're never that full though at Lowe's, but they're $14.98. These whole two racks right here are just ZZ plants. And then over here, some more snake plants, $14.98. And then some marginatas. These are the burgundy ones for $12.98. This is kind of comes in this pot, a nursery pot, and then this outer cash pot, I guess. And this is a Monstera deliciosa. It's a little juvenile one. I don't see any fenestrations really. I don't know if this was a fenestration or it's just broken. And it's $24.98. I think it's kind of a lot for a juvenile Monstera, but you know, if you like the leaves without fenestrations, you like the leaves without fenestrations. Moving on over here is a Calathea. Could be a medallion. I'm not 100% sure, but it's $12.98. Looking pretty good. And above are really large 8-inch golden pothos for $16.98. And there's also some Boston ferns for $16.98 up there. And then on this side, there are a whole bunch of, I think they're a little bit overgrown, a little bit of overgrown polka dot plants for $4.98. They're cute little bebes. And some more 4-inch plants down here. There's some golden pothos, some Janet Craigs. I think these are the lemon lime ones. And down here are some very, very unhappy spider plants. Crispy edges. I'm not sure why they are like this. They could be overwatered or underwatered. Honestly, I'm gonna guess they were overwatered. And over here are some silver Bay Aglaonemas. They are $14.98. And then down here are some really cute Syngoniums for $4.98 also. They're the really nice light ones with the pink veining. And then there's a bunch of African violets. They are $5.98. This one is nice. It has like little variegated leaves. I would honestly wait till they go on clearance though. I would guess this is the clearance section, but I'm not 100% sure since there is no clearance rack sign, but the plants look very sad. I see this, I think this is a moonshine. It doesn't have a price, and if it was on clearance I would probably buy it. I really like the size. And there's a Monstera deliciosa here too. It's the same one as the other one that we saw. Oh, this is the 50% off one. Okay, so this is the clearance rack. Why is this here? Maybe someone put it here and it's not really on clearance. I'm not sure. I think 50% off 25 is still a bit much, honestly. But peace lilies are commonly found here because when they're thirsty, they kind of look like they're dead. So if you watered this guy, it would perk right back up and look fine. So I encourage you to buy peace lilies or African violets on clearance. Here's a bunch of the peace lilies. And then also if you water them after they get sad like that, some of the leaves will turn yellow like this. So that's kind of to be expected. This is the China doll? Is that what it's called? $6.98. Oh, on clearance though? That's like $3. That's really good. If I had space, I would get that, but I have to be a lot more selective with my plants now because I have like no space. And there's also a Anthurium. I don't know if it's supposed to be here either, but it's $16.98 and then 50% off. So that's good. Over here is a black gold snake plant. You can see the gold on the inside. $24.98. It's in an 8-inch pot. And then down here, there are a bunch of succulents. I see Haworthias. I guess they're all just Haworthias. $7.98 each. And this snake plant for $14.98. This one here is pretty spread out. This one's wild. Very wild. There are also asparagus ferns up here for $19.98. They're in a really big 10-inch pot. I didn't even mention the little Venus flytraps. I actually bought one recently from Lowe's. It wasn't this one exactly though. I've been trying to feed it mosquitoes. It doesn't seem like they eat mosquitoes though. Like it'll close and then open back up the next day, so I'm not sure. But I don't really know how much these are either. But they're cool. We'll see if I could keep mine alive. Here's another Aglaonema. This one is also $14.98. There are the larger plants here. These really large snake plants are $24.98. I think that's good for the size. And there's more bromeliads. I like this one because of the crazy leaves. Let's see. $16.98. And, you know, peace lilies, palms, Fiddle Leaf Fig. This Fiddle Leaf Fig is just so sad. Oh my gosh, but it's so tall. I feel like they could look really good if you would like prune them and clean them up a little bit, right? This is kind of like the Charlie Brown sad Christmas tree. It's like $40, $39.98. That is way too much. I don't know why it's not on clearance. Oh, I guess they all got like burned. I'm assuming it's burnt because it's been really hot in LA recently. It's been like 115 degrees. So, and it's also fires, lots of fires. The weather's crazy, crazy, crazy out here. There's a big Croton. Fall season, winter season is the season of Croton, so I'm expecting to see a lot of those. It's probably why they got this color scheme going on with the can't remember what these flowers are called. No, not caladium. Kalanchoes. And also these little chili peppers. Came outside here to see their ficuses. This one is braided. It's $39.98. And their deliciosas, it seems like they've all been picked through and now this is the only one remaining. And it's very sad and broken. Oh, well, I guess there's more here. They are $69.98 and they're very tall. This is why I want to stake my deliciosas on a trellis. And there's some more Fiddle Leaf Figs. This one is like a really tall version of that sad Charlie Brown tree inside. So, yep. And they still have the really gigantic ZZs for $59.98. I think that's about it. Well, let's go look at the succulents. Here are the succulents. They do look very sad, probably because of this heat wave. Well, some of these are kind of hanging in there. I wanted to show you guys these. This is a mimicry plant. What the heck? I thought these were mimicry plants. But I just like them because I really like their texture and how they look. Those are so cute. Oh, there's a Rhipsalis over here. Do I want this? How much is this? We're gonna find out how much this is and think about purchasing it. So I'm now at the Lowe's in Canoga Park. I wanted to see what plants they had different. It's pretty close to the one in Northridge, so I don't know, like, I don't know what the big differences are between each Lowe's, so kind of wanted a bigger sample size. I think that they do have more plants in general. Oh my gosh, they have ladybugs. Some people use them to like eat their pests, but I think it's too nasty. I don't like ladybugs, even though they're supposed to be like cute bugs. Anyways, there's a heartleaf philodendron that I didn't see before, and it has this really cute hanger and pots, and it also has the nursery pot inside, but this one is $19.98 for everything. So far the rest of this stuff looks like what they had in the other Lowe's. There's just kind of more of it, I guess. Golden pothos up here, snake plants. This is a lipstick plant. This wasn't at the last one. The price is ripped off though, so it doesn't look that healthy either. There's little Echeveria here also. I don't know what's going on, but all of the, this is $4.98. All of the plants have this like wicking thing going on, and I find that it leads to like much more overwatered plants for sale. These don't look overwatered though, but usually it leads to more overwatering. This thing, wick and grow. Come on, man. This is a giant Syngonium for $16.98. And then there's also a red maranta. I haven't seen a red maranta in kind of a long time. It doesn't even have a price on it, so why not? But it has the Bromeliad. They have the Bromeliads. I don't think I showed the desert roses before. If you're interested, they are $14.98. Those are usually always at a Lowe's. And some ferns, Maidenhair Ferns. They have the adansonii. Oh, there's some domino. Well, there's one domino peace lily here. That is $12.98. The best variegation. There are also Dieffenbachias, Calathea Freddies. The last one had a medallion. These are $12.98. And these funky little plants, what are these? Apocinoidae for $12.98. And staghorn ferns here are $12.98 also. They also have the little wonky Fiddle Leaf Figs. Very cute. Peace lilies. I think that about covers it. I don't want to spend too long here since we pretty much already saw everything. Just wanted to see what they had that was different. Yeah. I think that's everything. Oh. They're the Peperomias. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I know I said that I saw Thanksgiving cacti. I saw them for sale somewhere, I just don't remember where. That is everything, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!